Hi there, students. Lukewarm. Lukewarm is an adjective. It means tepid, mildly warm, moderately warm, and we use it mostly to talk about food or drinks. The tea was tepid. The tea was lukewarm by the time I drank it. So it wasn't cold, it still had some warmth, but very little, and it certainly wasn't hot. The food in this cafeteria is always lukewarm. They never heat it enough. Wash the jersey in lukewarm water, because if it's any hotter, it will shrink. So lukewarm's the next step up from cold, but very little. Then we can use lukewarm figuratively to mean without enthusiasm, without conviction, indifferent, bored. So after the play, the audience applauded, but the applause was lukewarm. They clapped, but not much. They weren't shouting and cheering and clapping. He was given a lukewarm reception when he arrived at the house. So they said hello to him, but not much more. My team gave a lukewarm performance today, and they were lucky to end up with a draw. So they didn't play very badly, but it was pretty mediocre. My idea received a lukewarm response from my boss. Half-hearted, cool, indifferent, uninterested, apathetic. He was lukewarm about the idea. He wasn't interested in it really. Yeah? He said, yeah, it's all right, I suppose. Okay, so lukewarm, an adjective, meaning slightly warm. Lukewarm coffee, lukewarm soup, lukewarm curry. Wash it in lukewarm water. And then we have the figurative meaning, not very enthusiastic. A lukewarm response, lukewarm applause, a lukewarm thank you, a lukewarm greeting. Yeah, so without great enthusiasm, without it's all right, I suppose. Okay, so your next question, what about the formality of this? I think I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10 in formality. Sounds a little bit posh, but it's okay. Use it in a conversation in the pub, and I think you could also use it in a very formal document, so a nice flexible adjective. What about the origin? It comes from the Middle English word lew, L-E-W, which means tepid or lukewarm. So tepid, warm, half warm, not completely warmed up or cooled down nearly all the way. Okay, so lukewarm, tepid, either with temperature or without much interest. So I'm sure you will give me much more than a lukewarm response to this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lukewarm.